All right, I'm building this enclosure for accessing his water softener and putting his trash cans behind it. Concreted all the posts in the ground. Cut them off 5 foot. They'll be shorter, but this is just now what I cut it down to. Y'all be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This is a common way of doing this, also cost efficient. I'm also going to be decking a floor inside, which will be after the fact. So y'all be sure to comment below what you think, and maybe what ideas you might have. That's going to be the gate, and that's going to be the hardware for it. All this got about, I don't know, 300-400 in it right now without labor. So